Located on the shores of Lake Michigan in the heart of the Midwest, Chicago has 66 miles of lakefront, 15 miles of beaches, 19 miles of lakefront bicycle paths, and 552 parks, so there is always something to do for free. Looking for a parade? There are 36 from which to choose. Like to eat out? There are more than 7,300 restaurants in Chicago. Chicago area residents are also value-minded, saving up to $50 a week. That's about $2,600 over the course of a year. More than a third visit their favorite savings or deal websites daily, looking to score a great deal. Chicago is a city with lots to do, even for free. From culture to kid-friendly events, Chicago has it all for you without breaking the bank. Lincoln Park Zoo is the country's oldest public zoo, and it's free 365 days a year. The Chicago Park District is perfect for ice skating in the winter months. Chicago Botanical Garden boasts more than 200 bird species, a sculpture collection, and plant varieties from across the world. In spring and summer, stroll the gardens for free. Millennium Park has hundreds of free cultural programs including concerts, exhibitions, tours, and family activities. If Chicago is voted the most valuable city, the Greater Chicago Food Depository will receive a $1,000 donation. The Food Depository distributes donated and purchased food through a network of 650 pantries, soup kitchens, and shelters to 678,000 adults and children in Cook County every year. Last year, the Food Depository distributed 69 million pounds of non-perishable food and fresh produce, dairy products, and meat, the equivalent of 140,000 meals every day. Vote Chicago for most valuable city.